I want to thank Mike for that very generous introduction. And what I want to do is take just a few minutes, and literally it's just about 5 minutes to before Chris comes up, to really answer 3 questions. Who is Phoenix Contact? Why do we think PROFINET and the Internet of Things is important topics? And what are we doing in these areas? And how do you work the slide? That's another important question. So first, who is Phoenix Contact? We're a global company with headquarters in Germany, and we have subsidiaries in 50 sales subsidiaries throughout the world, and many of those subsidiary locations have engineering and manufacturing locations. We develop and manufacture industrial, electrical, and electronic technology products that power, protect, connect, and automate systems and equipment for a wide range of industries. Most people know us for the Phoenix Green connectors, but with more than 25,000 different products in our catalog and dozens of innovations being introduced each year, the connectors are really just the beginning of the story. We're a privately held company with more than $2 billion in sales, just about 13,000 employees globally, and with more than 70% of our business outside of our home country of Germany. The U.S. economy and manufacturing is an important part of the story for our continued growth and success. Phoenix Contact has a strong presence in the U.S. because as a company we see the need to not just participate in the market from afar, but to be an active part of the market. We established our business in the U.S. more than 30 years ago, and we've continued to invest in facilities and people in Harrisburg, Ann Arbor, Houston, and San Jose for sales, engineering, marketing, and production. In fact, just this month, we're opening a 120,000 square foot expansion of our Harrisburg, Pennsylvania facility, which expands our capacity for production and R&D. So why focus on PROFINET and the Internet of Things? Well, being a part of North America as a vendor, but also as a manufacturer, is important to us because of the manufacturing renaissance we're seeing in the U.S. We've gone from talking about offshoring to talking about reshoring. And some of the key factors driving this change are innovation and increased productivity through automation. Part of the productivity now and in the future is the availability of more and better quality data from more places and devices than ever before. Downward communication to these devices is also more important. The trend from the Internet of Things to the Internet of Everything is accelerating, and in many cases, industry is leading the way. More data and capabilities at the device level mean efficient, reliable, Ethernet-based communications will grow exponentially as a critical part of the overall network infrastructure, especially in the industrial environment. Therefore, we see the ubiquitous availability of information and the role of PROFINET as a supporting technology as an important area of focus. So practically speaking, what does this focus mean at Phoenix Contact? For PROFINET, it means substantial investments over the years in software, hardware, consulting and certification, and in products. It also means that connectivity is a key part of the systems technology underlying the solutions that we build for each of our corporate focus industries, which are oil and gas, infrastructure, electric power, water and wastewater treatment, and automotive. We're also working as partners with our customers on secure connectivity and information availability down to the device level. So at this point, I'd like to turn things over to Chris Munch of C-Labs, who is up next to talk about PROFINET and the Internet of Things and practical considerations for implementation. Thank you.